Good morning, students of standard 10th. Today we are going to discuss topic ascent of sap from chapter 1. Ascent of sap. It is the process in which water moves upward in plants from roots to aerial part of plant. Students, it is actually the process in which the water has to move from roots to the aerial part of the plant. Students, let's understand the concept of ascent of sap with the help of this picture. Students, here we can notice that there is a leaf. There is a stem, and we can see here that the leaf is transpiring, that is, water is lost in the form of water vapor during the process of transpiration, and this transpiration which is taking place in the leaf is generating the transpirational pull, which you can see, students, here. So students, with the help of the transpirational pull, when the water starts ascending up in the plant, then that is called as ascent of sap. The important factor which contribute in ascent of sap are transpiration, transpirational pull, and absorption of water. Students, the three main important factors which are quite important for the sap to move up in the plant are transpiration, transpirational pull, and absorption of water. Students, in this picture also, if we notice, then we can find that from the leaf the transpiration is taking place, and the transpiration which is taking place in the leaf is generating the transpirational pull, and which is further helping in the absorption of water from the soil. Transpiration. Transpiration is actually the process in which water is released in the form of water vapor via stomata from the surface of leaf. So students, transpiration we can understand with the help of this picture. Where we can notice that the lower epidermis of the leaf has the stomata. Students, this is the stomata, and by this stomata the water is getting released in the form of water vapor, and students, this release of water in the form of water vapor from the stomata present in the leaf is called as transpiration. Students, transpiration is being showed by these arrows which are moving away from the leaves to the atmosphere. Transpirational pull. It is a process in which, due to transpiration, a pull is generated within vessels, which is called as transpirational pull. So, students, actually transpirational pull is the pull which is generated due to the process of transpiration taking place in the leaf, and this transpirational pull actually is located in the vessels. So students, in this leaf you can notice that the solar radiations, these are the solar radiation, students. So this solar radiations leads to the release of the water in the form of water vapor from the stomata, and that process is called as transpiration, as we know. And this transpiration further is generating the transpirational pull, students, which you can see, which is moving down, and this pull is called as a transpirational pull. There is presence of adhesive and cohesive force which contribute in generation of transpirational pull. So students, actually there are presence of two forces also, which are the cohesive and adhesive force. So students, these forces are the adhesive and cohesive force which develop inside the vessels and which help in the generation of transpirational pull. So students, let's understand this concept of adhesive and cohesive force with the help of this picture. Students, here you can notice that these dot like structures are the water molecules. So students, the bond which you can see here getting formed between the water molecule and the cell wall of the vessel, this is the adhesive bond. So students, that means this water molecule which is right here, this is forming a bond between the water molecule and the wall of the vessel, and this bond is called as the adhesive bond. The other bond is the cohesive bond. So its cohesive bond actually is the bond between the two water molecules. So students, both the bonds are required, the adhesive bond and the cohesive bond, to form the water column within the vessels, which can produce the transpirational pull. Absorption of water. It is a process in which, due to osmosis, water is absorbed by the root hairs of plant. So students, absorption of water is actually the process in which osmosis plays a very important role in the entry of water in the root hairs of the plant, and which is further supported by the transpirational pull also, students. So transpirational pull along with the absorption of water helps in the ascending of water in the vessel, and students, this is called as ascent of sap. Students, now let us discuss an important question. What are factors which contribute in ascent of sap? The following are the factors which contribute in ascent of sap: transpiration, transpirational pull, and absorption of water. Thank you, students.